Hey, and Sylvie.
Hey, Louis.
I have a quick question for you. Hold this on. Hold this in. And let's pull. Okay. So, let's see. It's about, let's say, 20 Newton, right? My question to you. Is it 20 Newton because we're both pulling with 20 Newton? Or is it 20 Newton because you're pulling with 10 and I'm pulling with 10?
Oh, come on. That's a tough one.
Yeah? What do you think? Well, I have a setup here that can solve it. Riddle.
Okay, how can you do that?
So I have a bowling ball, and its weight is 14 pounds, which is what this fish scales here read, 14 pounds. Okay, and I put a little blue sticker, and it's holding here with a pulley, and it goes all the way here to another pulley. Essentially, this pulley and this support right now is supporting the bowling ball.
I see.
With 14 pounds. This is what this spring scale is measuring. So now the question is, I'm going to put another bowling ball here. Will this change to 28, or will it stay at 14?
All right, well, that's a good one. Okay, I'm curious.
All right, let's try it. That isn't really, instead of guessing all the time, I'll just do experiment. Thanks for your help. All right, let's put it in here. Okay, should be good. What do we have?
Well, it's still on 14 pounds.
Yeah, no change. So this is Newton's third law. The idea is that the bowling ball was pulling on this support with 14 pounds this way. By Newton's third law, the support was pushing back, or was pulling back with 14 pounds.
Wow.
Doesn't matter if I put another bowling ball. The bowling ball here is giving me 14 pounds, which already the support was doing before.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and the tension in the string here and in the pulley is just 14 pounds from both sides. So the answer to our first questions, we're both pulling with 20 Newton.
That makes sense.
Not 10 each.